So multiplying the terms, the coefficient itself, you would get the answer to be negative 3 for the coefficient of x squared. Okay. For question 2, okay, my concern is that I see that because the expansion is so-called fairly simple, right? Many of you resulted in doing full expansion for the entire thing, which is not what I am expecting. Okay. Another concept of binomial expansion is that you must know how to do general term. Okay. So how do we see the general term to begin with? Okay, it is stated in your formula, just that it may not be very explicit. Okay, so the general term is actually this part here. Okay, this is your first term, this is your second term, this is your third term, and then we notice that the term number with this number over here is a difference of 1. So therefore this is the TR plus 1 term. Okay, so you need not write down the whole formula. Okay, but you need to know that for the expansion that we are looking at, how do we get the general term itself? So the general term r plus 1, n is actually 6, choose r. Okay, then after that, a is x squared, 6 minus r, b is negative 3 over x to the power of r. Okay, then after that, from this step, you need to learn how to simplify. Okay, so some of you actually went through this step, but then your simplification and your idea about indices wasn't very right. Okay? So this will expand out to be 12 minus 2r. This is negative 3, okay, over x to the power of r. So negative 3 to the power of r, x to the power of negative r. Okay, so you can split it out like that. Okay? Don't take out the negative out from the brackets because it is being affected by the power r. And the negative will exist or not exist in the sense that it depends on what r is. If r is an even number, then square it, for example, your negative will be gone. But if your r is an odd number, then this term will be negative. Alright? Okay, so simplifying this. Okay, so we will get 6 choose r times negative 3 to the power of r times x to the power of x 12 minus 3r. Okay, so upon simplifying a general term already, you will make use of the general term to find out what is the coefficient for the x cubed term. So when x cubed term, that means that 12 minus 3r will be equals to 3. Okay, then after that you can find out what is the value of r, which is equals to 3. So when r is equals to 3, the coefficient will be 6 choose r, 6 choose 3 times negative 3 to the power of 3. So pressing into calculator, that will give you negative 540. Okay? Yes.
How you get the 12 minus 3r equals 3?
Because you're looking for the x cubed term. The question asks for the coefficient of x cubed term. So this is the power of the x.
Oh.
You understand? Okay. So this time round, I actually penalize you 1 mark if you actually did the full expansion. Alright, so this teaches me a lesson such that next time I'll give bigger numbers so that you cannot expand. Okay?
100, 500.
Okay, then after that for independent term, the term independent of x, that means the power of r will have, power of x will be equals to 0. So 12 minus 3r is equals to 0. So R is equals to 4. Therefore, the coefficient would then be equals to 1215. Okay, so how were the marks distributed? 1 mark for using the formula, 1 mark for simplifying it, 1 mark for getting value of R, answer 1 mark. Okay. Any questions? Okay. So please fill in this quiz, okay, your file. File check will be done at the end of this term, by the way. Okay, so I believe all your teachers will start collecting file near the end of this term.